And welcome back to the channel, and today I'm going to walk you through how to use Rebtel in 2025. In 2025, Rebtel remains a popular service for making low-cost international calls. Here's how to use it effectively. First, you have to download the app. So if you're using a mobile app, you can download the Rebtel app from the App Store if you're using an iOS device, or Google Play Store if you're using an Android device. You can also use the web version by visiting Rebtel's website to use the service on your computer. Download the file, the app, from Play Store. Type in Rebtel and then you install it. You can see mine already installed. If it wasn't installed, you see installed here instead of open to be installed. So once you've installed it, then you're going to do is open up the app. Now, once sign up for an account, you have to open the app or go to the website and register with your email, phone number, and via Google, Facebook login. So how to sign up for Rebtel? Let's say I want to use a new number. Tap on new number. You can actually see the tutorial or just go. Let's see. So get started. Give it access to your phone. Give it access to setting up your account. So since I'm in Nigeria, you can see it's asking me for my phone number. I put that in. So after putting in the phone number, you'll be asked to verify the number. Verification code will be sent to the number you put. So as you can see, my verification failed. But if yours didn't actually fail, the next thing you're going to do is you have to add credit or subscribe to your plan. Now we have two plans. We have the pay-as-you-go plan, we have subscription plan. So you can add funds to your account for flexible calling if you're using pay-as-you-go, or you can use subscription plan by choosing a monthly plan for limited calls to certain countries if it's available. So the next thing you're going to do is make calls. You can use direct dialing to enter the international number you want to call, and Rebtel will connect you via local internet-based routing. And next, contact sync. You can allow Rebtel to access your contacts for easy calling. That's part of the permissions we gave earlier. And they also will call Rebtel to Rebtel calls. The person you're calling also is Rebtel. Calls may be free or cheaper. You can also use Rebtel for calls without internet, called local access numbers. Rebtel may still provide local access numbers in some countries, allowing you to call internationally by dialing a local number first, saving you money on the international calls. You can also check rates and coverage. Before calling, please verify that Rebtel's current rates for the destination country. Verify the current rate, because pricing changes over time. If you encounter any issues, you can contact Rebtel's support via in-app chat, email, or phone if it's available. We have some new features like 5G optimized calls for better quality and high-speed network. We have enhanced AI call translations to give you real-time translation during calls. Hopefully these things work. And then we have crypto payments. Some VoIP services now accept cryptocurrency for top-ups. But due to my verification failing, I can verify some of these things. So hope you found this video helpful. Let me know in the comment section if it worked for you.